The intelligent thinker considers the great question of entropy, the effect of our very existence, the impact that it leaves, which appears perhaps like a ring, like a ripple around an impact zone, but and it expands wider and wider and looks in reference to the the event in the ripple to be chaos, to be unpredictable, but would seem to someone who observes aerially to have a pattern. It just expands outways and cannot be seen for the pattern that it is. Such are our problems and our woes. They are part of a pattern, and there are elements which benefit or enjoy or ride the ripple, and their benefit is in the disassociation of every part of the perimeter of that ripple from each other. That is its benefit. Its girth is the separation of the rally. So analogous to that is our problems and those who benefit from them. The tollways that we have to pay to go through and get to the other side. And that should be addressed in the future considerations for a corrected society. We today in the 21st century must achieve a a utopian society, a society that serves the individual, that empowers the individual, that respects the highest ideals of the individual, of their will, of their satisfaction, of their immunity from being pestered or from being hurt, from their ability to co-work with other people, their right to rest, their right to disassociate, even from government, from taxes. These are the ideals that we should be championing in the crisis of politics, of the structure, the legal and administrative structure that will invariably have to be devised in order to manage our population into the future and take into consideration the incredible tools that we have today that have not affected the political equation. In the last 200 years, the developments which have occurred are astounding, yet the political structures have remained the same. But in the last 5 years alone, artificial general intelligence can address every individual's wishes, and the processing of data will be able to be shared and and protocols and algorithms to make sure that everyone is a winner at different times or at different circumstances. The commonwealth, the shared resources through algorithms, through clever analysis, statistical analysis. So there is plenty. It just needs to be organized. And the greatest obstacle to this logistical challenge are the people and the bodies benefiting from the existing situation. So the future needs to be constructed in a way which is going to be different, which will put down the foundations for the next 1,000 years, if not 1,000, 100 years, if not 100, for the next jubilee of 50 years, that the individual will be at the source, the primary a giver and emanator of the authority for governance, and the individual's problems will be the source of value, which will be used to incentivize the entire economy to solve and to serve to their satisfaction. I believe this is the foundation of a, a new value, and which can be used for the foreseeable future.